Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Windows not detecting headphones when plugged in fix. The Windows PC is not detecting headphones when plugged in. It can be frustrating, but there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. First is you need to check the connection. Ensure that your headphones are securely plugged into the headphone jack on your computer. Sometimes a loose connection can cause the detection issues as well. You could also try a different headphone jack. If your computer has multiple headphone jacks, try plugging into your headphones into a different one to see if the issue is specific or to one port. You could also try restarting your computer. What you have to do is go to the Windows over here and select this power icon and simply restart this. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve hardware detection issue. Restart your computer and check if the headphones are detected afterward. You could also go to the check sound settings. What you have to do is go with the sound option, right click in that option and go to the sound settings and do verify that your headphones are selected as the output device. You could also check for the Windows update. Left over here, we could see this Windows update option. Go there and make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. And you could also check for the hardware issues. If there's no above steps resolve the issue, there may be a hardware problem with either your headphones or the headphone jack on a computer. In this case, you may need to contact the technical support for further assistance. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.